Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Unrestricted Transfer From. In smart contracts, allowing unrestricted transfer from operations poses a significant vulnerability. The unrestricted transfer from issue occurs when the from argument for the transfer from function is provided directly by the user. This can lead to unauthorized transfers and loss of funds. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how the user-defined parameter from is used as an argument in the transfer from function. This allows anyone with token approval to withdraw funds from other users. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run cargo Scout audit. The warning related to unrestricted transfer from appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we avoid using user-defined arguments as the from parameter and transfer from. Instead, we use state.buyer, which is stored in the contract state. Here's how the remediated code looks. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to review user-defined arguments for sensitive operations like transfer from. Always ensure proper validation and restrict operations to authorized addresses. Using Scout during your development process can help identify and fix these issues promptly. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.